Finland, a land of vast, pristine landscapes, known as the land of 1,000 lakes, with over 180,000 lakes, each lake a shimmering jewel amidst emerald forests. These lakes shape Finland's landscape, history and people. They provide fish, water for transport and inspiration, reflected in Finnish art, music and literature, and offer endless opportunities for recreation. Venture beyond the shores of these glistening lakes and you'll find yourself immersed in a sea of green. Forests, vast and ancient, blanket over 70% of Finland's landmass, creating a verdant paradise that stretches as far as the eye can see. These are not the manicured forests of fairy tales, but sprawling wildernesses, home to a rich diversity of flora and fauna. Towering pines and sturdy spruce trees dominate the landscape, their branches reaching towards the sky like long, slender fingers. Beneath them, a carpet of moss and lichen covers the forest floor, creating a soft, spongy surface that muffles your footsteps as you walk. Here, amidst the stillness of the trees, you can truly feel the pulse of nature, raw and untamed. As you travel north, the landscape begins to change. The terrain becomes more rugged, sculpted by the relentless forces of ice and time. Finland lies partly within the Arctic Circle, a region known for its extreme variations in daylight hours. In the summer months, the sun barely dips below the horizon, bathing the land in an ethereal glow known as the midnight sun. Imagine a day that never ends, where the golden light lingers long into the night, painting the sky in hues of pink, purple and orange. This is the magic of the midnight sun, a time for celebration and outdoor adventures, for experiencing the world in a whole new light. As the days shorten and winter descends, a different kind of magic takes hold. The night sky transforms into a celestial canvas, ablaze with the mesmerizing dance of the aurora borealis, or northern lights. Imagine standing beneath a sky filled with swirling ribbons of green, blue and purple light, constantly shifting and changing, as if painted by an invisible hand. But Finland is more than just its breathtaking landscapes. It is a country with a rich cultural heritage, shaped by its history, its environment and its people. At the heart of the Finnish character lies a concept known as sisu. More than just a word, sisu is a way of life. A philosophy that embodies resilience, determination, and an unwavering spirit in the face of adversity. It is the spirit that allowed the Finns to not only survive, but thrive in a land of long winters and challenging conditions. It is this sisu that you see reflected in the Finnish people, their quiet strength, their deep connection to nature, and their unwavering sense of community. Finns are known for their love of simplicity, their practicality, and their deep respect for the natural world. They are a people of few words, but deep thoughts, finding solace in the quiet moments and drawing strength from the land that surrounds them. No exploration of Finnish culture would be complete without mentioning the sauna. More than just a place to get clean, the sauna is an integral part of the Finnish identity, a ritual that dates thousands of years. Imagine stepping into a dimly lit wooden room, the air thick with the scent of cedar and birch. As the heat envelops you, beads of perspiration forming on your skin, you feel your worries melt away. This is the essence of the sauna, a place of physical and mental purification, where you can shed the stresses of daily life and reconnect with your inner self. It's a social activity, a place where families and friends gather to share stories, laughter, and the warmth of the sauna stove. Throughout the year, the rhythm of life in Finland is punctuated by a series of festivals and celebrations, each with its own unique traditions and significance. One of the most important festivals is Midsummer, or Juhannus, a celebration of the summer solstice and the longest day of the year. Imagine bonfires blazing on the shores of lakes, casting a warm glow on the faces of revelers. The air is filled with the sound of music and laughter as people gather to celebrate the warmth and light of the summer sun. This is midsummer in Finland, a time for joy, for feasting, and for celebrating the bounty of nature. Finnish cuisine is a delicious reflection of its land and its people. A harmonious blend of fresh, seasonal ingredients and simple yet flavorful preparations. Imagine the taste of freshly caught salmon, grilled over an open fire and seasoned with just a touch of salt and pepper. Or the earthy aroma of wild mushrooms, sautéed in butter and served alongside creamy mashed potatoes. These are just a few of the culinary delights that await you in Finland. From the hearty stews and soups that warm you on cold winter days to the delicate pastries and cakes that sweeten special occasions, Finnish food is a celebration of the natural bounty of this land. One of the cornerstones of Finnish cuisine is rye bread, a dark, dense bread that is a staple at every meal. Section 8. Design and innovation of Finnish hallmark. Beyond its natural beauty and cultural richness, Finland is also a country renowned for its design and innovation. From the iconic Marimekko prints that brighten homes around the world, to the innovative mobile technologies that connect people across continents, Finnish design is characterized by its simplicity, functionality, and timeless elegance. Think of the sleek lines of an alto vase, the playful patterns of a Marimekko fabric, or the intuitive design of a Nokia phone. These are all examples of Finnish design at its finest, where form and function go hand in hand and where beauty is found in the everyday. Finland is also a pioneer in sustainable design, constantly seeking innovative ways to reduce its environmental impact and create a more sustainable future. One of the most remarkable aspects of Finnish culture is its deep connection to nature. This connection is enshrined in the concept of every man's right, a unique tradition that grants everyone the right to roam freely in nature, regardless of who owns the land. Imagine the freedom of being able to wander through forests, pick berries and mushrooms, swim in lakes and camp under the stars, all without having to ask for permission. This is the essence of every man's right, a testament to the deep respect that Finns have for the natural world and their belief that everyone should have the opportunity to experience its beauty and serenity. Whether it's hiking through pristine forests, kayaking on tranquil lakes, or simply enjoying a picnic by the water's edge, Finns embrace the outdoors as an integral part of their lives. As our journey through the land of 1,000 lakes comes to an end, we are left with a profound sense of awe and wonder. Finland, with its breathtaking landscapes, its rich cultural heritage, and its resilient people, has captured our hearts and minds. It is a country where nature is not just a backdrop, but an integral part of life, shaping everything from the food people eat to the art they create. It is a country where tradition and innovation go hand in hand, where ancient customs are celebrated alongside cutting-edge technologies. And it is a country where the human spirit is deeply connected to the natural world, finding solace in its beauty, strength in its challenges, and inspiration in its endless possibilities. So, if you're seeking a destination that will nourish your soul, ignite your imagination, and leave you with a renewed appreciation for the wonders of our planet, look no further than Finland.